Hey guys, welcome to the So Vegan Show. Is that what? We're not calling it the show? To be fair, we don't actually have a title for the show yet, do we?
No.
So we're just going to call it the So Vegan Kitchen because you are right here in our kitchen.
In our kitchen.
And we're going to be showing you fun, simple, indulgent, sometimes indulgent recipes. And we're going to be explaining the steps on how to make these recipes and making it as easy as possible for you guys to cook amazing vegan food at home. Guys, this curry is fresh, it's vibrant, it's fun and it's simple. It's the sort of food we cook all the time for our friends and family. They love it and we think you're gonna love it too.
So today we are making a delicious spinach and chickpea curry, and we are gonna get going first by getting all our spices into this pestle and mortar and grinding them down. So here we have 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, a teaspoon and a half of mustard seeds, then a teaspoon and a half of cumin powder.
My favorite.
Oh yeah. Teaspoon of turmeric.
My favorite.
Interesting. Teaspoon of garam masala.
Also my favorite.
Okay, you can't have 3 favorites now.
Okay, what about this one?
Okay, this is chili powder.
Not my favorite.
Oh. So we've got a teaspoon of chili powder in here. This is what is going to give the curry the heat. So if you don't like hot food, you can tone it down. Just put in half a teaspoon to start with. Taste it and see how you go. Right.
I didn't realise I was this strong.
I'm amazed.
Incredible. Smell that.
Ooh, nice. This pan is on a medium to low heat. And once it's heated up a little bit, we're going to just chuck the spices in. I think it's good to go now.
In
Lovely.
it goes.
Give them a bit of a stir. And leave them there for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally, so those oils release and we boost that flavour.
Wicked. So while Roxy's doing that, I'm going to be preparing the tomato sauce for the curry, and it's really simple. Firstly, we've got 4 ripe tomatoes. We're just going to chop these in half and throw them straight into the food processor. In they go. And then we've got 1 onion, which we've just quartered and peeled. In it goes. Then we've got about half a thumb of ginger, just half that. Throw it in.
Nice.
And lastly,
that's peeled as well, just to put.
Peeled as well, yeah. We've got 3 garlic cloves, which we've peeled. You don't have to worry about chopping those. Just throw them straight in.
Lovely.
And then we're gonna put the top on and we're gonna process this for about a minute or 2, just until we get a lovely smooth paste. Cool, I think that's done.
Right. These spices are smelling amazing. So I think we're ready for your,
yeah, this is looking wicked.
Your tomato sauce.
Cool, it's looking lovely and smooth. And we're gonna pour this straight into the frying pan.
Off you go, come on. Great. Scrape it all in there. So I'm just gonna stir this in so the spices combine with the sauce. It's gonna make it that amazing orangey curry color. So we're going to bring this to the boil, and then we're going to lower the temperature and simmer for 20 minutes just so we get rid of that bitterness from the onion and the garlic. And then this is a good time actually to get the rice on.
Yep. Guys, so the rice, really simple. We've got about 2/3 of a cup of rice, which we've rinsed already to remove all that starch. And then we've added about just over a cup's worth of water. And we're going to season it. Always remember to season your rice with a pinch of salt. And bring it to the boil and then simmer it for about 15 minutes.
Oh yeah!
A 5.
We're going to serve this alongside a delicious and light salad. So the great thing about this dish is there's no oil in it. There's no oil in the curry, and we're not going to put any oil in the salad, so it's super low calorie. If, like me, you put on a little bit of weight recently, you want to trim it down, girlfriend. So we're going to put 2 tomatoes in this salad. Ben, would you mind just chopping these down? Dice them quite small. And then alongside the lovely ripe tomatoes, we're going to be putting in 1 red onion. So I'm going to finely chop that. So I'm just going to chuck everything into our lovely little salad dish that we've got over here. Then we're also going to go in with this little cucumber, or half of a big cucumber. Just dice that, really quick and simple. Chuck it in the salad. And this is a great way to add colour to the dish. Loads of reds, greens, purples. Absolutely delicious. Then Ben, could you roughly chop some coriander for me? Probably like a large handful, I'd say. And then we're also going to put some mint into the salad. Fresh herbs are a total game changer. Literally, if I have any salad or even any main dish, and you want to get extra flavour and freshness, just chuck in fresh herbs. They're an absolute delight. We're also going to squeeze in the juice of half a lime.
Oh, look at that.
Looking delicious.
The strength in this arm is just
Phenomenal.
slightly overwhelming, isn't it?
Nothing like it before. Right, here we go. Oh, look at the strength of my arm. Look at my biceps. So I think that's most of our prep done. I'd say it's cup of tea time. Oh. That slurping is so
To
irritating.
slurp or not? Are you a slurper? You're not a slurper,
Do you even
are
have
you?
to ask me that?
I know, sorry, I should know that.
I'm like this.
I think a gentle slurp is perfectly reasonable.
Okay.
Deanna, gentle slurp?
No.
Are you, what? Am I the
Yeah,
odd
you're
one
the
out?
only one. It's quiet, and then it's like, yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Just like that.
The thing is...
That's not a gentle slurp though. That's a mountain
do you
slurp.
want to hear a full-on slurp?
Okay.
I can't do it actually. It's a bit embarrassing. But
It's time for the coconut cream. I think you should be the one to do this.
so the trick here is, what is the trick? It's the shake test.
Shake test.
The shake test is, so when you go and buy tins of coconut milk in the supermarket, give them a gentle shake. The ones that sound really slushy, avoid. You want to find the ones that sound like the cream is already set in the tin.
So you can't really hear anything. So when you shake it, it sounds kind of solid.
Exactly.
And then you can be confident that the cream has set on the top.
Generally, it's for full fat coconut milk. So if in doubt, always go to full fat coconut milk.
Yeah.
And also, worst case scenario, stick it in the fridge for a few hours and hopefully, I'm down for the slurping.
Cool.
Yeah.
Me too.
So stick it in the fridge and hopefully the cream will set to the top of the tin and then you can just do what we do, which is spoon it out and put it straight into the curry.
So what about quarter cup?
About a quarter of a cup.
So
which,
a big,
just over, I guess.
yeah, perfect.
That'll do.
Then I'm gonna go straight in with the spinach. We've got baby spinach leaves here, about 100 grams. I haven't weighed it, I'll be honest. I love spinach, so the more, the merrier. Just gonna chuck this in and then leave the curry to simmer away and let those leaves wilt. It'll take about 5 minutes. So the spinach is starting to wilt, it's getting there, so we're gonna go in with our chickpeas.
Which we've drained and rinsed already.
I'm gonna go in with the juice of half a lime just to add a little bit of zest. Oh wow, look. Oh, I'm really strong as well.
Oh, look at that strength.
Then I'm gonna go with a bit of seasoning, a bit of salt, bring out all those flavors. And we'll let it just infuse for a couple more minutes. Right, so the rice needs to be ready soon.
That
How's
is
it
a
looking?
very good point.
Ta-da!
Oh, look at that.
That's looking pretty good, I'll be
fluffy.
honest. So this serves around 2 people, but we demolish it. Gonna roughly chop the coriander. I've got about a large handful's worth here. And we're just gonna throw it into the curry, give it a quick stir.
Oh, look at that.
Looks beautiful. And then we're gonna serve it straight up. Also some mango chutney, just to add a little bit of sweetness. This goes so well with it. And then a little bit of side salad. It's so colourful and everything is so fresh. This is one of my favourite ways of cooking. Lovely, that's beautiful.
Brilliant, look at that.
So we're just gonna top it with a few poppadoms. We're gonna crack this one. Beautiful. Cannot wait to get stuck into this. Gorgeous. I'm pretty
Get
excited.
stuck in. Look at this. Oh.
Bit of curry, bit of rice, bit of chutney to finish it off. That
That's
is so good.
I think that's one of my favourite curries.
Delicious.
It's light, it's fresh.
So many flavours going in there and so much colour from the salad.
Yeah,
Delicious.
fantastic. Guys, there you have it, our spinach and chickpea curry. It will take you less than 30 minutes and it will leave you with enough time to brew a couple of cups of tea.
So we hope you enjoyed the video. We've got loads more to come. So make sure you subscribe and leave any comments below and we will get back to you. Peace out. Night fever, night fever. You know how
You think
to
that's
do.
all right? Bring the energy, Rox, bring the energy.